we online? Is this working? Yes, it is. Hey, this is Gary on Adventure with the late night news. I was just informed by Carpe Iter itself that the new next generation HUD, which I told you was going to come very soon, is coming out tomorrow on 20th of February. In the afternoon, you will be able to download this new app on your Carpe Iter device in the download manager, the Carpe manager itself. For other devices, Android devices, you will find this download a little later. Keep in mind, if you want to use the new HUD, you need the USB hub by Carpe Iter itself. It is compatible with all GS starting 2014, 1200, 1250, and even the new GS 1300, which all have the Wonderwheel on the left-hand side. You will find all the information you need about the HUD down below in the link, and you will also find a link where you can still purchase the new Carpe Iter HUB when you don't have it by now. If you use this link, you will support also Gary on Adventure a little bit. You won't pay a penny more, but it's supporting me, and it will help, of course, for getting some more and nice adventures and keeping you updated with all this interesting stuff what I'm showing to you. So stay tuned for more and enjoy the new app tomorrow. This is Gary on Adventure. Good night.